Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, budgeting, saving. I also have saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of crypto and stocks and shares with you guys as well. So guys, first off I want to apologize for not releasing a video on Friday. Things are a bit hectic on my side at the moment. I had a lot of interviews and we had to celebrate because I finally got the job I was looking for. I know this video is running 2 days late, but I will be releasing it for you so you can start earning your $4 as well. Now the graph, we have had it on Coinbase before, so questions 1, 2 and 3 I've did previously. I'll go through those questions and answers with you guys, but the fourth one is a new question for me as well, which I'll also be showing you the question and answer to. If you'd like to find out more about Coinbase, I'll link a video on top where I did a full tutorial about Coinbase. So before we get started, just remember, if you would like to join me on Coinbase, use my link in the description below. When you sign up, then if you buy or sell $100 in crypto, you will earn $10 in Bitcoin, and you'll also be able to earn all these free crypto on Coinbase. So to get started earning your first dollar, all you need to do is click on the lesson. Then it will go through everything with you, and you just need to click at the bottom so you can do your question and answer. So question 1, what information is indexed by the graph? And the answer to that is the blockchain data. If you're finding this information helpful, please make sure you smash that like button so it turns blue. And let's move on to the next question. Question 2. What do you earn for delegating GRT to an indexer? The answer is GRT tokens. If you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you have a look at the third question, who identifies high quantity useful data on the graph? And the answer is the curators. Always remember to ring the bell so that YouTube will send you notifications every time I release a new video. So let's have a look at the last question. What is the best way to earn graph rewards? And the answer is to delegate GRT to a high quality indexer. And there you go, you've earned $4 just by answering a few questions. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day guys. Bye.